Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Mars Hydro. I've been using the Mars Hydro 3x3 grow tent for about maybe 5-6 months, and I've been getting some questions as far as how I like it and what are the specs and stuff. So I am going to give you my overview of it, and I'm also going to put a link for the previous video that I did on it, so you can check it out. One of the things that I like the most about it is the zipper and zipper light-proof strip. It's a seamless, smooth zipper with a double flap that allows very minimal light leakage. And this is what I'm talking about. Here's the flap, and up underneath it is the zipper. And then in the corner down here are two zippers. Very little light, if any, comes out. Another thing that I like about it is the preview flap. It's Velcro, it comes down, and instead of having to open it all the way up, I can sneak a peek by looking inside to see how everything is doing. Another thing that I like about it are the poles. Now, while the poles aren't necessarily very thick, they are sturdy, and it's able to hold a fair amount of weight. If you look in the back here, you'll see that it's holding the fan, and it's also holding the filter, and doing it relatively easily. I also like the fact that it has several of the openings here that are double sealed. There's one here, and then there's one inside of it. Depending on how it is configured, the electrical cords can come out here on the side and be sealed and not allow any light seepage whatsoever, like right here. And depending on what grow light that you have, it is able to hold that very well with no problem. I like the Mylar coating on the inside of it. The light is able to reach my plants in every single corner of the bag. And as I said, this is the 3x3. I have a 4x2 that I'm not going to put up until I relocate, but I should be able to grow a fair amount of food inside my home during the winter or during the summer or anytime that I feel like it. Some other things that I like about the tent, as I stated before, it's highly reflective. The Mylar is real good, puts out a lot of light, which will lead to healthier plants. It has a floor tray that's in it. It's removable, waterproof, and easy to clean. I mentioned the view window. I like that. I use that every morning when I wake up and come out and pull the Velcro strap down and take a peek inside. It's a lot easier to do that than to every day have to unzip the bed. And on the outside, I have a little tool bag, and I have that on the outside of the tent. And I keep a spray bottle in there and some scissors, so whenever I have to go in and do some pruning. And overall, I'm very happy with it. If you're interested in purchasing one, I will leave a link from Mars Hydro in the comments portion of the video. And I hope I have answered some of your questions. If you have any more, by all means, leave them in the comment section. So I hope you got something out of the update. As I said, I couldn't ask for anything better. It doesn't have that big of a footprint. And as I said, I will be able to grow vegetables year round inside, which is great. It's important to me because I don't have to run to the grocery store or anything like that to get what my family and I will be able to grow. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, take care.